This is section 6.4, and we are dealing with graphs of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So first I ask you in number 1, are these two equations equal? And the easiest way for us to find out with the knowledge we have so far is to expand number 1, the first equation, and see if it is the same as the second equation. So let's go ahead and do that. If I expand out this equation right here, I'm going to FOIL out the center. Remember that's x plus 1 times x plus 1, and I get x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to distribute this 3 through, and I get 3x squared plus 6x squared plus 3 minus 4. Now I need to combine like terms, and I get y equals 3x squared plus 6x minus 1. And are these equal? Absolutely they are. Yes. All right. On your sheet of paper for tomorrow, I would like you to do the same operations for number 2 and tell me whether or not those two equations are equal. All right, let's move on to number 3. From the graph of h equals negative 16t squared plus 44t plus 5 on page 365, I'd like you to estimate at what times the height of the ball is 20 feet. So you're going to have to turn in your books to page 365 and please make that estimate for me. Do you have it? All right, I would say the first value would be 1/3. And let's see, my units are seconds, I do believe. Yeah, my units are seconds, so I would have 1/3 of a second is the first time my height is 23. I'm sorry, this is 20 feet. The second time that happens looks like it is at 2 1/3 seconds when the ball is on its way back down. If you didn't get those answers, please go back to page 365 and look at that graph again. Remember, you're following the height on y versus the time on x. All right, we're going to use a formula to determine the height of the ball 1/2 second after it was thrown. So, if we know that the time that has gone by is 1/2 second, to find the height, we're simply going to plug into our formula. So, basically, I have height when time is 1/2 should equal negative 16 times 1/2 squared plus 44 times 1/2 plus 5. Let's go ahead and simplify. When you square 1/2, you get 1/4. And 16 times 1/4 is 4. So this first term would be a negative 4. 1/2 times 44 is definitely 22 plus 5. So now I have 27 minus 4 would give me 23. And again, my units are feet. So after 1/2 second, I am 23 feet in the air. I'd like you to look at that graph on page 365 and just double check that that answer looks pretty close to the graph that you see on that page. All right, here we're talking about a toy rocket. I would like you to bring in a piece of paper answering these 3 questions for me tomorrow, and I will see you then.